everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Flowers Need Rain by Preston Pablo. This is about an intermediate level choreography. So if you want to do this dance with music, you can go ahead and find my short, the link to my short in the description box below. I posted that about a week ago. And so if you want to do it with music, go ahead and find the link down there in my description box. I recommend obviously learning the choreography first and then going and trying it with music after you're done with this video. All right, so enjoy. Also, any of the steps that you see in this choreography are under my, most likely have a tutorial, and they're under my Tap Step Tutorials playlist. So if you don't know a step, go ahead and find them under that Tap Step Tutorials playlist. I have a link in my description box below. Find it, learn the step, and then come back to learn this choreography. Okay, so you're going to start with some drawbacks in Cincinnati. So you're going to start with 4 drawbacks on your right foot and then 2 Cincinnati. So right foot starts, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, Cincinnati, Cincinnati. Good, you're going to add on 4 more drawbacks here, starting with your right foot again. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to go into a rhythm turn here, starting with a shuffle instead of a riff. So it's not as common, but it does happen that the rhythm turn starts with a shuffle. So with your right foot, you're going to go shuffle, heel, step. And then you're going to go heel, heel, toe, toe to finish out that rhythm turn. Right, left, right, left. Sorry, my board's a little too small. So from here, shuffle, heel, step. You're going to go right heel, right toe, left toe. Ba, 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 ba. Yeah? So then you're going to go into a step, step, double pull back on the right. So step, step is right, left. Double pull back right. Okay? And then from here, right foot is going to brush over left, brush back. So brushing over, brush back. Step heel on the right foot, back essence on the left. So you're going to go brush, ball, change, stomp. And then 2 5-count riffs here, right side, left side. And then a rhythm turn starting with a riff on your right foot. So it'll go 3-count riff up, brush, step, then heel, heel, toe, toe. Okay, let's run through that again nice and slow. So starting with those drawbacks. 4 of them, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, Cincinnati, Cincinnati, back to drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, shuffle, heel, step, heel, heel, toe, toe, step, step, pull back, brush, brush, step, heel, back essence, riff, riff, and turn. Very good, nice. So right after that step, 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 pull back, that brush, brush comes right after. Okay, so be prepared for it. So right after you do that step, step, pull back, be prepared for that brush, brush. Okay, let's try that again. And this time I'm not gonna talk us through it, and it's gonna be up to speed. So this is about the tempo. If you were to do it with music, this is about the tempo that it would be at. All right, starting from the top with those drawbacks. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very good. Nice. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion, or if you would like me to break down a certain step that you've, heard about or have wanted to learn, let me know down in the comments below, and I will try to get to those as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.